Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your messages on Temu. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've been talking to a seller. How do you actually go ahead and see your messages on Temu? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go onto your Temu account, and then you're going to make sure that you're actually logged in. Next, on the bottom hand side, you're going to click on the icon that says you, and then from here, you're going to see multiple options. So once you click on messages, this is where all your marketing messages and your messages to other sellers are going to appear. So do make sure that you are talking to safe people and also safe sellers and buyers. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your messages on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And again, messages is located right underneath the You tab, and then click on messages and there you have it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.